I was sent this robot vacuum mop to check out, and considering how much time and effort it has saved me already, I'm kind of kicking myself for not getting one sooner. Between living with a dog who sheds and a partner who always forgets to take his shoes off, this has been an absolute game changer for keeping our house clean. Okay, all kinds of goodies here. So here is the mop head. We've got our quick installation guide, instructions for the app, and the operation manual. All kinds of different languages. And here we have it. Lighter than I expected it to be, which is nice. Very cool. Like a little sweeper brush. And in here we have the charging port or the charging station. Regular plug, that'll be easy to find a spot for it. And a nice long cord. Filter. And then a second mop head. And this appears to be a sort of cleaning tool. Now I'm going to follow the instructions in this quick installation guide. Getting everything set up was pretty straightforward. The instructions were really clear and easy to follow, and it did not take long at all. So of course this table is not home base, but just for demonstration purposes, after holding the button,
start charging.
So while that charges, I'm going to go ahead and download the app and follow these instructions to get this set up. To demonstrate the power of this, I threw down some dog fur and coffee grounds. And here's the first pass. I was actually just a little bit worried about that pile of coffee that was left on the bottom there. Here's the second pass, and you can see that the fur is getting picked up so well. And here we go, picking up the last of the coffee and also showing how it navigates around the desk so well. Here, navigating around the dog bed, it's about to pick up some lint or something on the ground. And this is gross, but here's all the dust and coffee grounds and fur and hair and everything that got collected. Overall, this robot vacuum mop has saved me so much time and effort, and I'm so happy that it's part of my cleaning routine.